Hi guys, I'm 𝗬𝗍𝗿𝗍 and I'm here today to talk about an excellent new product. So as you know, we had our PI instrument that stands for peri-implant instrument, a PICC instrument to work around implants, crown, veneers, restoration and even orthodontic appliance. And today we are changing it for the newest PI, the PI Max. This PI is a PICC material filled with 30% carbon. It makes it 50% more flexible, is the thinnest implant instrument for power scaling in the market, makes the treatment even more comfortable for the patient and for the clinician, as well as efficient. It's thinner as our PS instrument. And the good thing, you don't need the endo-shock anymore, because we can use the 𝗬𝗍𝗿 and apply it directly on the handpiece. So yeah, use it, our PI Max peri-implant instrument. You're gonna see the difference and you're gonna be happy to change for a more revolutionary product and also for a more efficient one that doesn't damage the implant surface, doesn't damage the ceramic surface of the veneers and the crowns. Get yours!